You've heard the adage, it takes a village to raise a child. Today, we're exploring just how that starts with Nicole Sellers, Saskatchewan's Youth FASD Prevention Program Coordinator. Nicole, let's start with today, September 9th, which is FASD Awareness Day. Remind us, what is FASD?
Sure. FASD stands for Fetal Alcohol Spectrum Disorder. So this is a term used to describe the lifelong impacts on the brain and body of an individual who has been exposed to alcohol in the womb. So FASD affects nearly 4% of the population. So that's about 1 in 25 individuals are living with this disability.
Wow, some staggering numbers. Didn't know it was that prevalent statistically. Now, why is FASD prevention so important, and more specifically, maybe just tell us about your program?
Sure. So at the Saskatchewan Prevention Institute, we have an FASD program where we have 2 streams of prevention. So the first stream focuses on youth and the adults that work with youth, and educating them about alcohol and the related harms, and as well as learning how they can have some coping strategies to help make healthy decisions. The second stream focuses on supporting healthy pregnancies, and we do this by evidence-based research and through our campaign, Be the Village. So we hope we can use both of these streams to help reduce the occurrence of FASD within Saskatchewan.
Makes good sense. Now, off the top, we mentioned it takes a village. You just touched on Be a Village. Tell us a little bit more specifically about the Be a Village campaign.
Sure. So, yeah, I'm sure you've heard it takes a village to raise a child, and experts agree that these supports should happen before and during pregnancies. So our Be the Village campaign focuses on the fact that everyone has a role to play in healthy pregnancies. So even some of those small little, suggestions and help along the way go a long way with a healthy pregnancy.
Yeah, no doubt about that. I'm just thinking back to my wife's pregnancies, or even that social, ooh, we're not going anywhere because we're not telling people yet, right? That's kind of the flip side of that coin. But that's where we can all be villagers, right? Is to help out and to support those healthy choices? Definitely,
definitely. And yeah, like we said, we all have a role to play. May that be, the people around them, your doctors, physicians, things like that. Everyone has that role.
Perfect. And how do we get involved?
Yeah, if you want to learn more about that, you can visit our website, bethevillagesk.ca.
Perfect. All right. Well, thank you very much for a couple of minutes. As mentioned, thevillagesk.ca or skprevention.ca for the Prevention Institute. Thank you very much for a couple of minutes.
Awesome. Thank you so much.